Hey, what's up? I am Tony making food motto over here, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to fill a 3-compartment sink. Simple as it sounds, it can be kind of difficult. So, first off, what you're going to do, you're going to fill your sinks, okay? So, you got your wash, you got your rinse, you have your sanitize. That's what you have. 3-compartment sink. You wash, you rinse, and you sanitize, and that's what you do. Okay, so this is calibrated. So all you have to do is hit this button one time, and that's it. This is calibrated, so that's the proper amount of soap that we need in here. So we fill this up with soapy water. This one is just regular water because it's your rinse, and then you have your sanitizer. Just like with this, over here you have your sanitizer. You just got to hit this button once. Just hit this button once. You don't need to hit it twice. You don't need to hit it 3 times. It's calibrated to have the proper sanitizer solution. So you also have to fill it up to the water fill line. On each one of these sinks, there is a sticker that says water fill line. Fill it up to that line and you'll be all right. So we're going to test our sanitizer right now. We have these sanitizer test strips. They are in every one of the stands, located by all of the 3-compartment sinks. So what we do, simple. You take this, you pull this out, and you take this, you dip it in there, 10 seconds. That's that. And then you check it. You check it up against here to here. This is how you check it. You want it somewhere in between that 150 and that 400 mark. So we're at about right here. So this sanitizer water is good to go. So that's that. We have our soap, we have our water, we have our sanitizer. Now, this is where it's at. I'm gonna wash a couple dishes for you, and this is what's going on. So, just right in here, simple. I'm just washing dishes, washing this offset spatula. Boom. It's clean, there's no debris on it. Right in there. I got one more. Okay. Just gonna wash this just like that. There's no debris on it. Get that little corner. Boom. Just like that. So we're gonna let that rinse in there because it's the rinse. That's the wash. This is the rinse. Okay. Take this out. Boom. That is rinsed. Now sanitize. Simple as that. Now, we want, like I said, we want this water about 70 degrees, lukewarm water. We don't want it super hot. We don't want it cold. That will mess up the sanitizer solution. So we're going to let that sit in there for a minute, and then we're going to let it air dry. We don't want to take a towel and dry these things because I don't know where that towel's been. So we want it to air dry. All right? So once again, we have our wash, we have our rinse, we have our sanitizer. Fill it up to the fill line. There's a sticker right here. Fill it up to the fill line, just right there. Hit the button once. You don't need to hit it twice. You don't need to hit it 3 times, just once. It's calibrated. So you have to do that right here. Test it, sanitize it, make sure you're in that range. You got that 150 to 400 range. Make sure you test that right there. And then that's that. That's your demo. This stuff's been a minute. This is sanitized. Boom, boom. Let that air dry. That's that. Once again, I am Tony making food Mata, and that was just a quick demo on how to fill a 3-compartment sink. Thank you. Have a good day.